I have for you a Monday makeover. So I did say a couple of weeks ago now that throughout May I was going to do the same as what I did last year, which is a month of Monday makeovers. So every Monday throughout the month of May you will be getting a Monday makeover from me. And I did say that this year I was going to do a series using the Revolution chocolate bar palettes. So I can show you makeup looks or eye makeup looks using the Revolution chocolate bar palettes. So if you want to see how I created this look and which palette I used, then just keep watching. Yes, did you guess that it was the I Heart Revolution macaroon palette that I used to create this beautiful green and brown look? Now, I recently received this off a very good friend of mine, and I was in absolute shock when I got it, because when I saw this palette come out originally, I absolutely fell in love with the colours. They're just so beautiful, very mermaidy. So yeah, I think this colour palette is just stunning. But I didn't end up buying it for myself, because I was very much in a sort of no buying makeup sort of mentality at the time. I wasn't on a low buy or a no buy, but I just wasn't. I was trying to think about the purchases I was making, whether I absolutely needed it in my collection. And at the time that this came out, I made the decision that I didn't need it at that time. However, now that I have it in my collection, I am so happy. I love this palette, absolutely adore it. The beautiful blues and greens with the beautiful browns. It's just a stunning color palette, and I am so happy to own this now. I knew that I had to do this one first, because I just couldn't wait to show you me playing with this palette. So I absolutely love this beautiful green here. This is Dessert, and it's that what's on the inner corner of my eye, not the highlight here, but the inner corner, and I just think it just brightens up the inside of my eye there. I really love this shade here as a transition shade, and then this to like darken up that crease. That was really stunning, really beautiful. And then obviously this green here and this green here were what I used to darken up the eyelid, and they just all beautifully go together. The colours are so soft and so beautiful to work with. I really do like that. I like that there is a dark green here for you to use to darken up the crease. I didn't use it today, but I do like that it's not sticking to just like a black or a dark brown for you to deepen up your crease, because sometimes when you're working with greens and browns, you don't want the harshness of a black, and you don't want the tone of a brown. So having that deep sort of green there, it really suits this palette, even though I didn't use it today. But yeah, I absolutely love this palette. I'm so in love with it. It really, I mean, it's just beautiful. It's absolutely gorgeous. These beautiful bronzes here as well. You could definitely use this as an everyday eyeshadow palette, and then have at the weekends a little bit of pop of colour in there just to brighten up the weekend. So this is a very versatile palette for me. It's stunning, it's beautiful, it's gorgeous, and I love it. So that is it. That is my Monday makeover using the macaroon palette from I Heart Revolution. So if you want to see another Monday makeover, please tune in next Monday for another one, and see if you can guess again which palette I'm going to use next. Okay, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!